Welcome to Travel Mania, your ultimate travel companion. Hello everyone, welcome to Travel Mania, where your travel dreams come to life. Do you love exploring new places? Are you eager to learn about different cultures, cuisines, and experiences from around the world? Then you're in the right place. Our channel is your gateway to discovering the world one adventure at a time. Here we offer a wide range of travel content, from comprehensive guides to the best travel destinations to daily vlogs of our personal adventures. Join us as we dive into cultural experiences and savor local delicacies from every corner of the globe. Why should you subscribe? Because we're here to help you plan your best trips, make the most of your budget, and create unforgettable memories. We release fresh content every week, taking you to the most amazing places around the world. So if you're ready to embark on this journey with us, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our adventures. We can't wait to have you along. Welcome to Travel Mania, where every trip is a new story. See you soon in our next adventure.